Did you know there's a jellyfish, Turritopsis dowenii, that can revert back to its polyp stage? It's essentially immortal. The mantis shrimp has the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, with 12 to 16 photoreceptors. Humans only have 3. Axolotls, a type of salamander, can regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their brains without scarring. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Their tiny brains are capable of complex visual processing. The pistol shrimp can snap its claw so fast that it creates a cavitation bubble, producing a sound louder than a gunshot.